Wow, that was a big tower. Ooh, careful! It fell down. Ooh. Okay, let's start all over again. Show me the window. Show me the window. Show me the window we did. Show me the window. Put your finger through the window. Good. Yeah, there's a window and there's a smaller window. Good. Big window, small window. How many towers is this? How many towers did we do today? 3 towers. 3 towers. Good. Yeah, on the other side to give it some support. Okay. Good. There. Oh, tower fell down. The collapse of the tower. You want to start it again? Yes? Okay. We need another tower. We made another tower, but this one is leaning.
I see a meaning.
Yay! Oh! Ah! Deconstruction.
And you made a doll. You made a doll. Daddy, I made a doll.
You made a window in the tower.
You made a window.
You made a window. Yeah, and we're here. We can keep this. We can keep it. That's see, that's a piece of the tower.
Gotcha. I wanted to make a table.
How about the other side now? The other side? You want to do the other side now? Sager, how about this side? That side. Yeah. Good. And now put the... No, on the other side. On the other side, yeah. That's it. Very good. Very good. No, put the long one. Put the long one first, yeah. Give it support. Put the long one. That one is the long one. You should have put that one first.